So I've been able to find out the issue uh, after debugging it several times. So for me, I'm very sure your project won't have the same problem as mine. So for me, under the handle damage event, I came here and set is alive to true. Okay, yeah, so I believe this will run second, which I'm not sure. Let me put it here first. That changes anything. Uh, the variable is true by default, but it's like it's being ignored. Yeah, so as you can see, it is saying server true, so meaning uh, he detects my guy to be alive. But now can take damage. So there was an issue with the dead part. This here won't work with ELS. So what I did is that after here I I get this mesh, then I set collision file, set collision profile by name, then I use here ragdoll. That the ragdoll will happen. Okay, now he's dead, and I can interact with the dead character. Yeah, so there are many best way of doing it. If you remember correctly, there was a time I changed the collision settings into the project settings, whereby I told you to make sure that your ragdoll uh, collision, then ragdoll, where is it? Ragdoll here. You're going to block visibility simply because they are using visibility channel to trace for interaction. Okay, so we will block the wall trace so that he can lift his weapon up. And so my wall trace is still there, nothing has changed. So the problem was not with the collision or anything like that. Uh, so the issue is when the project crashed, and I don't know why it crashed. This is a live variable, like is not being called as false. Okay, yeah, it is not being called as false. So what I had to do was to set it to true gameplay and hoping that it won't cause any issue. So I don't think your project will have the same problem as mine. Like I said, I don't own the project. Someone sent it to me. According to him, he was not sure, even uh, if it's a like an updated. Yeah, he just sent it over, and I asked him to send me a project so that I can look into it, and he said fine. So, up to this point, I would say everything is working perfectly as I would expect. the only issue that I had was with this is a live variable of which I can say that I've maybe fixed it, so there shouldn't be any weird issue by setting is alive on begin play through the handle damage events here. Begin play, handle damage events, then I'm setting is alive to true. Okay, so if I play client and client, we'll take the shotgun because it has more damage. Uh, See, the guy is dying. Yeah, so for this animation, if maybe if let's say you don't like it, you can change. That's the only animation that I have for now that is suitable for this shotgun gun. Yeah, so he's dead. I can interact with his stuff. See there, interaction is working. Both guys knows that he has nothing on. Okay, so meaning nothing is broken. Okay, and oh, also there's another small fix. When you respawn, when you respawn, there is an issue also on event begin play. This one here. So what you just need to do, like this is not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be something like this. Okay. So what you need to do is you do is valid from get controller. Okay. So it should be like this, and then you add a delay, and then you, if it's not valid, we are going to delay 0.2 seconds, and then try to check if it's valid, and then continue with what needs to be done. So so far that's it. Yeah, like I said, I won't be what they call, I won't retarget the animations. I really don't like them. So that's the downside of it. If you are going to use this system, make sure you are going to have animations, because one, I would say ELS version 4 is very choosy. Okay, it's not just something that you can pick up and work with it and expect good results. Not unless you know what you're doing, not unless the rest of the assets that you're going to use will be compatible with it. So be careful with your animation assets. Otherwise, I wish you success with your projects. I don't think I've forgotten anything out. I'll go crazy with it and maybe yeah, because at this time I'm very sure I can reload. I can still reload. Let me pick. So what's missing? It's only the animations. But if animations, any weird issues? For this shotgun, no, it's behaving like that. I thought I fixed it. Mm-hmm. Not supposed to behave anyhow like that. Mm. Anyway, I will look more into it probably by the end of this week. Should be having some good results. Thing in overall, it is looking good and great according to me. So, in case of anything or any weird issues or bugs or things that I haven't covered out, feel free to reach me out on Discord. The fuck? It's three laser sights in a gun. It looks great, man. How it is so far. So, I don't think I'm missing out on anything. And there is no error at all. So for the other video, I did record it very long hours, so I'm going to edit it. Yeah, so that's it, guys. In case of anything, reach me out on Discord or you can text on YouTube. I see your message, I will reply. For me, I think I'm done. I'm done with Jigsaw integration into my ELS version 4 project. Bye bye. You have a good one. Bye.